Hello everyone, let's complete this table. I said the easier it's to make, it's better for the show. Let's complete it. For completing it, we create the text and let's put this thing category here, here, and item here, and here. It's like the past video on the table we have, but we need to create this. We are going here to put everything in the middle, and here also put everything in the middle, and also here we need to put everything in the middle. You see we have a little problem here. This text we need to delete it. Okay, everything is great. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We create everything. This table is created and completed, but it needs some modification that we are going to create for making it better looking than the thing we have. But before that, let's change the font to sans serif, increase its size and make it bold. And also here I'm going to use Titan. It's not the font we use always, but it's a great font. Okay, it's it. We create this content, but we are going to do some modification on the background in the next video. But before that, let's just modify this thing a little. Format the format shape. Here text option. Let's go with solid fill for the text outline, and let me just increase it in size a little and make it color this thing. Okay, it's good. If you need anything, ask me in the comments. I'm going to complete this thing under another